Hello everyone. So welcome back to programming NXT with the EV3-G software. So in the last lesson we looked at loops. So in this lesson we're going to look at switch. So as usual we'll watch the video and you can see here we have something that is very commonly using a switch, which is a line following. So you can see that when it's over the white area, it will turn to the left, and when it's over the black, it will turn to the right, and therefore it will follow the line. So I'll go ahead and click open. So once again, you have a video. You can watch it if you want. You've already built the robot. And here we have the interactive animation. So when I play this, look at the screen. So you can see it will either go here when the condition is true, which is to say the reflected light intensity is below a certain level, and it will go here whenever the condition is false. So let's go ahead and build a program. So I'm just going to move this here. So let's get a loop block. So this loop block, you can see that it is going to run forever. And inside the loop block, I'll put in a switch block. So for the switch block, I'm going to use the color sensor. And we are going to compare the reflected light intensity. Now for some reason, the color sensor on the NXT, it doesn't work quite the same as the color sensor on the EV3. So I'm going to set a little bit of a lower threshold. So instead of less than 50, I'll put less than 30. And for the remaining part of the program, it's pretty much the same as shown. So we have a large motor block. And then I'm going to change that to off. And then we'll set it to port C. And the other large motor block is set to port B. And that will be on. Now, after that, we put in, if the condition is false, that means the threshold is below 30. So for B, set it to off. And for C, we set it to on. Okay, so C is off, B is on, B is off, C is on. So basically, if the threshold is less than 30, it must be over the black line. So I tell my C motor to stop and my B motor to go forward, which will make the robot swing to one side. And when it swings to one side, then the color sensor will be over the white area. And once it's over the white area, the threshold is going to be over 30. So when it's over 30, I reverse the motors, which is B, which was formerly 50, will be stopped, and C, which was formerly stopped, will be 50, which will make it swing the other way. Now let's go ahead and run the program and see what happens. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching.